A new online course has been launched, that's aimed at people who want to earn a regular passive income with ClickBank. The course will teach participants a simple three-step system that enables them to achieve financial freedom and job security while working from home. The newly launched online course teaches people the quickest method to earn a regular income online from the comfort of their home. ClickBank is a unique affiliate marketing network that supports and celebrates its successful affiliates. Earlier in the year, the company held a contest with a cash prize for the top affiliate of the network. A leading affiliate called Robbie Blanchard won the entire contest for earning $981,000 for the month. He made this money simply by successfully promoting products for other brands. Affiliate marketing is fast becoming the best option for stay-at-home parents, freelancers, bloggers, and e-commerce business owners that want to add a new reliable revenue stream to their income. People do not need to have prior experience to be successful, but they are recommended to take a course so they can avoid making the same mistakes as other affiliates. Unlike traditional 9-to-5 jobs, affiliate marketing is performance-based, meaning affiliates have control over how much they earn, making them generally more motivated than employees. Utilizing affiliates can help businesses to scale their business and target traffic better. That means affiliates with niche experiences or knowledge are likely to be highly sought after. As many people understand, website traffic is not created equally. But working with affiliates can help companies to better target high-value prospects and generate more leads. A spokesperson said, "Due to all the success he's had from promoting ClickBank products for high commission, Robbie's put together a free money-making course where you'll learn how to make money with ClickBank using the same system he used to have massive success. He will explain how people can harness the power of Facebook to find huge pockets of untapped buyers and why you don't need any experience to have success with this system." Robbie was previously a personal trainer, they added. To find out more or sign up today, click the link in the description now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more very informative videos.